Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada with an Avada short. In this video we're going to look at responsive options for background images. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Okay, let's begin. With containers there are 6 tabs for background options, and for columns there are 3. Watch the How to Use Avada Container and Column Background Options video for full details on all these options. But in this video, I just want to point out a recently added feature for responsive background images. When you add a background image to a container or column, you can also control the image independently for medium and small screens. Here I have a container with a background image, and if I go to the Toggle Responsive Options icon, I can change to medium or small screens. By default, the background image is inherited from the desktop screen size, but as you can see here, you can add a completely different image for either medium or small screens. If you want to use the same image, you can instead adjust the positioning of that background image for medium and small screens independently, or indeed any of these options that display the responsive icon. So in this way, one container could look like this on large screens, like this on medium screens, and like this on small screens. Now that's responsive design. Okay, that's it for this Avada short. If you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.